Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMI. So these are your new highs and then kind of pullback. We'll see what happens. This looks like a hammer, but tomorrow's day, which means Friday, is very crucial because on Friday we have some news coming for dollar, and I think Friday will decide what will be the trend. Okay, so tomorrow's New York session around 6, not 6 but 8 p.m. sorry, 8 a.m. New York time, whatever. Okay, the news timing. Okay, in the morning. So that session is very crucial. That will decide everything what's going to happen. And in the daily chart we can see this, but for that we could say that this is your downtrend pullback and we might go down, but we still have to wait for this candle to see how does it finish on 2nd of October. Okay, so this is 2nd of October candle, red one. Now we have to wait how does this finish. Most probably this might end up as red, but we'll have to check. So this is a rejection from the EMA and this looks like a downtrend, quite clear for now. Okay, but tomorrow's news is very crucial. So this is your downtrend pullback, rejection from the EMA, then red engulfing candle. That's very good for downtrend. Okay, but coming back to 4-hour here, in 4-hour we are going down as well. So let's use our fib levels. Now if we say this is our uptrend, we have to be very careful here because you will be stuck in 2 decisions. Okay, buy or sell. That's the only deal. Now here, if you consider this as an uptrend in 4-hour, okay, then a pullback can still happen until 3375. Okay, so if the red candle comes all the way until 3375, that is still not downtrend. That's very critical what I'm saying right now. Okay, so we have to be very careful whatever you do. Just what do you say, plan your entries accordingly. If you're going short, make sure you exit around 3375 or 3380 or even before. Okay, so this could merely be a pullback, and from here price might bounce off and engulfing blue candle, and then we might go up. Okay, otherwise if it has to, let me check in the daily chart. Actually, in daily the low is 3345. Okay, so this is your daily low, and in 4-hour this is the same daily low. Okay, so quite tricky here, as per daily chart. If I now remove the fib levels, and you see now, so this is your downtrend, pullback has happened, rejection has come from the EMA, engulfing red candle. So if this candle ends as engulfing red, then it gives us the short signal, okay? And this short will be valid until 3375 because this is still an uptrend. This is still an uptrend, pullback, and we still might go up, okay? So decide very carefully. If you go short, then exit around the levels I told you, okay? Anyways, go ahead and check out the links below my video, join Telegram and stuff like that. So subscribe, like, I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.